Hi. Today, we're learning about pedestrian crossings. The first type is the zebra crossing. You can identify a zebra crossing by its road markings and a specific sign that you can see on the left-hand side of the screen. When approaching a zebra crossing, you must stop for any pedestrians who are waiting to cross or are already crossing. There are no traffic lights at a zebra crossing, so it's your responsibility to stop. Wait until the pedestrian has safely reached the pavement before moving on. However, if there are no pedestrians at the crossing, you don't need to stop and can continue driving as normal. The next type is the pelican crossing. Pelican crossings have traffic lights for cars and a crossing button for pedestrians. Pedestrians press the button and wait for the traffic light to turn red, which signals cars to stop. Once the light turns red and pedestrians' lights become green, pedestrians can begin crossing. If the traffic light changes to a flashing amber while pedestrians are still crossing, you must wait until they've safely reached the pavement. If the crossing is clear during the flashing amber phase, you can proceed without waiting for the light to turn green. As we remember from the theory questions, flashing amber light means giving way to pedestrians on the crossing. The third type is the puffin crossing. Puffin crossings are similar to pelican crossings, but with one key difference: there is no flashing amber light. Instead, these crossings use sensors to detect when pedestrians are crossing. The traffic light will stay red until all pedestrians have reached the pavement. After that, the light changes to red and amber, then green, allowing you to drive on. Finally, there's the toucan crossing. Toucan crossings are similar to puffin crossings, but they're designed for both pedestrians and cyclists. This means that both can cross the road at the same time. You can recognize a toucan crossing by the markings on the ground. That's everything for today. I hope this explanation of zebra, pelican, puffin, and toucan crossings was helpful. Thanks for watching.